Maintaining an island with historical and educational significance comes with unique challenges. First of all, there's the challenge of transportation. There is no bridge, no causeway. Everything arrives by boat. Students, teachers, researchers, maintenance equipment, supplies, they all must arrive by boat. Through the generous efforts of the West Bloomfield Optimist Club, we own 2 pontoon boats for island access. However, those boats were donated in the 1970s. Our transportation department does its best to keep the boats in service, but the boats are old, the engines are old, and we have no resources to properly protect the boats over the winter. Thus, I am asking the greater West Bloomfield community for your help. If you are a boat owner or know a boat owner who may be interested in donating a pontoon boat or assisting in retrofitting a donated boat or in donating funds for this purpose, please contact my office. Ideally, we would like to have a fleet of 2 reliable pontoons, each with a capacity of 3,000 pounds or about 15 passengers. Thank you for your help in keeping the island accessible for study, research, and maintenance.
So sometimes we do need help keeping the woodland safe and the trails maintained. And that's the situation today. So about a year ago, just after the last of the Historical Society's public island tours, 3 very large trees fell into the foundation of the Campbell family home. This foundation from the 1850s is one of the premier historical sites on the island. And as it is now, the foundation is mostly obscured. The trails around the foundation are unsafe and blocked, and one of the affected trees actually leans over the site. So it's not a safe situation for our students or visitors. And normally volunteers from the Historical Society and with some help from West Bloomfield School District maintenance, they cut back the overgrowth. However, this project is too big and dangerous for just the home gardener. We really need some professional help and insight. The wood just needs to be cut and kind of rolled aside, not removed from the area. In fact, we'd hope to use some of it to make some nice little stools, like little stumps for an outdoor learning area. But if you are in the tree service business and you like a challenge, please call Dr. Hill's office. And remember, this is an island. So you and your crew and all your equipment would need to arrive by boat. There's a little bit of a slope and there's no electricity. I know, sounds like fun, right? But thank you for your consideration because we would love your help.
In the 50 years since the school district became steward of the island, over 10,000 students and community members have had the unique opportunity to visit this natural sanctuary. Scientists have come to investigate the island's archaeology. Students have come on guided tours of the remains of vacationers of long ago. The curious and the mischievous have quite quietly slipped onto the island to explore, meander, and, as evidence proves, to party. We remind the community to protect and preserve the island's ecology, artifacts, and ruins through responsible use and with school district permission. On the occasion of this golden anniversary, we express our thanks to the Greater West Bloomfield Historical Society for their continued commitment to the island through the tours, awareness, and site maintenance. We are also grateful for the Society's efforts that added the island to the National Register of Historic Places in 2018. Our gratitude is further extended to the West Bloomfield School District Facilities Department for providing maintenance on the island and to the Transportation Department, which pilots and maintains our 2 boats. I do not know of another school district which can claim an island as a campus. WBSD is fortunate that Marjorie Ward Strong's commitment to her woodland sanctuary has allowed our students and community to learn in such a special place. With the support of our staff, our families, and others fascinated by Apple Island, we look forward to continuing our stewardship of the Marjorie Ward Strong Woodland Sanctuary.